Hello, welcome back my channel. This video we will cover how do we do the frosted glass effect in Flutter. For this we use backdrop filter. In the first, we have a container that is on the image. Now we want to make it opaque. We make backdrop filter the father of our container and use image filter for the opacity value. The more X and Y, the more opacity. Now we see that the background image is matted, but we only want the container to be matted. To fix this problem, we need to make ClipRRect the backdrop filter parent. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe.